A New Hampshire court just dealt Republican voter suppression efforts a huge blow right before midterms. The Republican Party is so bereft of useful ideas, so fundamentally unable to inspire confidence and excitement over their policies that they've been forced to undermine the very foundations of our democracy in order to cling to power. Their gerrymandering and voter suppression efforts have disenfranchised large swaths of the voting public and reveal the ruthless, power-hungry ethos that animates the rotten heart of the modern GOP. Given this grim reality, any victory against efforts to curb voting rights is a cause for celebration. Today saw just such a victory, as HuffPost's Sam Levine reports that a New Hampshire court has struck down a law passed in 2017 that required people to provide proof that they lived where they intended to vote. The court agreed with critics of the law, who pointed out that it unfairly targeted college students and was designed to make it harder for them to vote. Perhaps most tellingly, at least as it pertains to the current political discourse around voting in this country, is that the court ruled that so-called voter fraud, that perennial bugaboo of the conservative movement, is almost non-existent, with less than one documented instance of it occurring in New Hampshire annually over the past 20 years. The finding is in sharp contrast to Trump's claim that voter fraud is a serious problem, and yet another rebuttal of his pathetic attempts to rationalize his 2016 popular vote loss by falsely stating that millions of fraudulent votes in California inflated Hillary Clinton's margin. With the November midterms right around the corner and the future of our republic hanging in the balance, this ruling is great news to anyone who cares about fair and free elections. Read the full ruling in the comments section below.